Unlocking the phrase, can't resist a sale. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very common and interesting phrase, can't resist a sale. Whether you're shopping online or walking through your favorite store, this phrase captures a feeling many of us know all too well. Let's explore what it means, where you might hear it, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. The phrase, can't resist a sale, is made up of a few key components. First, the word, can't, is a contraction of cannot, indicating inability. Resist means to fight against something or to avoid giving in to a temptation. And finally, a sale refers to a period during which goods are sold at reduced prices. Put together, when someone says they can't resist a sale, they're expressing their inability to avoid the temptation of buying things when they are offered at lower prices than usual. To better understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In a conversation, imagine two friends talking about a recent shopping trip. One might say, I know I shouldn't have bought another pair of shoes, but I just can't resist a sale. This highlights the speaker's struggle to avoid buying something unnecessary just because it was on sale. 2. In advertising, companies often use this phrase to attract customers. An advertisement might say, we know you can't resist a sale, so come check out our unbeatable prices. Here, it's used to create a connection with the audience's desire to find good deals. The phrase, can't resist a sale, also sheds light on consumer culture, especially in countries with a strong emphasis on shopping and deals. It reflects a common behavior where the excitement of saving money can sometimes lead to impulse purchases. Understanding this phrase gives you insight not just into the language, but also into the habits and values of English-speaking societies. We hope this exploration of the phrase, can't resist a sale, has been enlightening. It's a perfect example of how language captures our habits, desires, and even our struggles with temptation. Remember, learning English isn't just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about understanding the culture and the real-life context in which phrases are used. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase next time you find yourself or someone else excited about a good deal. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.